Hey there! You can use flashcards for this lesson to remember everything you're studying. Links are in the description. Also, support kids in need by donating to St. Jude. Link below. Thanks so much. Let's begin. In our digital age, the information on your computer is often a treasure trove of spreadsheets, documents, presentations, and everyday work-related tasks. What you might not realize is just how valuable this information can be to someone else. Enter shoulder surfing, a crafty technique employed by individuals seeking to gain access to your confidential data. In this blog post, we'll delve into the world of shoulder surfing, the risks it poses, and the defense mechanisms you can employ to protect your privacy. The art of shoulder surfing. Shoulder surfing is an age-old, yet still alarmingly effective method used by individuals to glean sensitive information by simply observing what's on your computer screen. It's a common way for attackers to obtain password information and details about documents you might be viewing. A real-life scenario. Imagine sitting on a plane, and in the row in front of you, someone opens their laptop and begins working on clearly sensitive and private information. The problem is that you can see everything on their computer screen because you're sitting directly behind them. This is a prime example of shoulder surfing in action. In larger cities, with the aid of binoculars or a telescope, it's even possible to perform shoulder surfing from the next building over. Awareness of your surroundings. When working on your computer, it's crucial to understand who might have a line of sight to your screen. Being aware of your surroundings is the first line of defense against shoulder surfing. You never know who might be watching. The privacy filter, a remarkable security tool. One ingenious security tool that can protect your screen from prying eyes is the privacy filter. This device effectively blacks out your screen unless you're sitting directly in front of the computer. For instance, you could be on a flight with someone working on their computer right next to you, but their screen appears entirely black to you because they're using a privacy filter. Why privacy filters matter? Privacy filters are invaluable in scenarios where someone might be in close proximity to you and you don't want them to shoulder surf on your computer. These filters are a preemptive measure devised by IT departments that have considered the possibilities of such situations and are ready to safeguard your privacy. Additional tips for screen safety. Here are some extra precautions you can take to shield your screen. Office awareness. If you're in an office, be mindful of your monitor's positioning. Keep it turned away from windows and hallways where unauthorized individuals might have a line of sight. Travel smart. When you're on a flight, or in any public space for that matter, make use of privacy filters or screen protectors to ensure that your work remains confidential. In an age where sensitive information is constantly at risk, protecting your screen from prying eyes is crucial. By incorporating these strategies, you can defend against the subtle, yet potentially devastating threat of shoulder surfing. Whether you're on a flight, in the office, or anywhere in between, your data deserves the utmost protection, and a privacy filter is your shield against surreptitious snoopers. Stay vigilant, stay secure. Thanks for watching. Help children in need. Donate now to St. Jude. Link in the description. Together, we make a difference.